So this is my random unboxing. I'm not even going to show you all the pairs that I bought. Uh, yeah, I don't know what when I came home last night, I didn't even remember what pair of shoes that I bought. So this is the Air Max 720, and I feel sort of that I've grown out of the air bubble thing. I haven't worn any shoe like that for many years, and I almost never wear low top shoes. But then I saw that Air Jordan released shoes with this sole, the 720 sole. Sort of high tops, I would call them. One red, nice shoes. And I got a bit curious, so yeah, I bought a pair like this, just for fun, just to try them out. This pair is not mine because I have mine on me right now. This is a friend of mine, so that's why the shoes are a bit smaller. And I wanted to try the Vapor Max when they were released 2-3 years ago. But people said that if you're a bit too heavy, like over 100 kilos, they are not stable. And I absolutely understand that. I bought many shoes that were too soft for me, for my weight, for my size, too soft. And my knees didn't like that. So, but now for this price, I don't know what I pay for these. I think they're quite expensive also maybe, but I think they're cheaper than the Jordans. I like them. You will get some height and you will be taller. All of this, maybe all of this is lifted. So if you're short, you want to look taller, get a pair of these. They are comfortable. They sort of feel just the way they look. They look sort of tilted. I feel the same way. I feel like the heel is higher than the front, but it doesn't bother me. I think they will be great when I drive because most of my shoes hurt my heel when I drive long. So this will be perfect while driving. And kind of nice colorway. They're not gray, not white. They're called platinum. Nice colorway. And I don't feel too heavy for them. Now I'm really putting pressure on the heel just to try them out. But I like them. And I think that the material is breathing. So yeah, nice. I'm absolutely gonna try the Air Jordan. I don't know if they're also called 720, but I'm gonna try them. I think the red ones maybe. These I like the color. I don't know what the official name is of the color. Guava Ice Sail. But I like the sail colorway. I like pink. I like these. I don't like the text. It says swoosh and Nike or whatever. I don't like that. I could live with the Nike thing on the other side, but I would much more prefer them just clean. We have sail, not white sail, off-white laces and matching laces. Nothing special to say about the shoe. We have the top is nylon, not leather, so maybe they're more breathable. Nothing to complain about the leather. It's better than like the Air Jordans that we have around 2013. Much better than those. Nothing special, but kind of nice looking shoe. I can have them as a pair of backup shoes in my car. And then yeah, I forgot I bought these. I don't even know why I bought these actually. I don't like them. When I saw the box, because I just pulled out a bunch of boxes and I said I want those. I thought these were the ones that are same name, something with the pink, crimson tint maybe. We have a pair that also released this year that are suede and beige, I think, something like that. But the whole shoe are pink suede, and I thought that it was those shoes. And these, I don't like them. The leather, the black leather is supposed to have some kind of print, and not tumbled, but yeah, maybe it's supposed to look tumbled, but the leather quality isn't tumbled at all. The toe is very stiff, and the pink leather is, yeah, it's pleather. It's that fake leather thing. You see, I can do whatever I want and leaves no impressions at all. So nothing special. These are better in quality than these. And the black is too shiny. I don't like that. And the pink, if it's supposed to be pink, are too weak. I want stronger pink. I want matte black. And yeah, we got green laces to them. Why would you put green laces on these shoes? So yeah, I don't know why I bought these. The sole is cool. The sole looks nice. But this is too pale and the black is too shiny. I don't think I will ever use these. Maybe once used for Instagram photo. And that's it, I think. I'm glad that I tried the 720. I like them. I'm probably gonna use them too. They are a bit narrow for me. I never wear Air Max shoes, so I don't know actually. But compared to Jordans, they are in the length, they are true to size, and a bit narrow in the top. But you can see that easily on the shoe. You see that it's a narrow model, and the lifter thing, maybe you need to get used to it, but I don't mind. I don't, and it's always nice to look a bit taller, I think. So yeah, this was the nice surprise. These I regret, and those, yeah, whatever. It's shoes, man. I hope you like my videos. I've posted a bunch of them now, and I think I'm going to do something else before I go on to the Air Jordan 34s. I don't know. Subscribe, like my videos, comment. Thank you.